Welcome to East to West. We build RVs for your adventure. From concept to completion, our amenity-packed floor plans and quality construction give you the ultimate RV experience. Each Silver Lake by East to West unit comes standard with a fully finished pass-through storage and universal docking station with your cable satellite hookup and city water connection, and then hot and cold exterior shower with spray port. Every Silver Lake unit comes standard with an electric tongue jack with LED light and two 20-pound LP bottles that are enclosed. We also design our coaches with a radial dynamic front to give it a sleek design. We build our Silver Lake units on a Norco NXG frame, which is superior quality and highly engineered so that we have a strong, lightweight, and solid foundation for us to build on. Our units come standard with a fully enclosed and heated underbelly. We also have an electric 15-foot power awning with LED lights. Our interior features include an 81-inch floor-to-ceiling height. We also use a 15,000 BTU AC with quick cool. Our furnace is 35,000 BTU. Our kitchen features a seamless countertop and farmhouse sink, which is undermounted, stainless with a high-rise faucet. And then we also have a 3-burner cooktop, oven, and microwave. And then our units come standard with an 8-cubic refrigerator. Our construction features an in-cabinet versus in-floor heating, so you're not going to get any soft spots or have those annoying grates. Double over double bunk bed with a 300-pound weight capacity. Silver Lake features a 48-inch dinette, larger picture window, dual windows in the slide, and then 2 extended storage drawers on roller guides. Our flush floor slide outs feature added LED lighting in the slide, added storage above the slide, and then also below the jackknife sofa. Silver Lake by East to West comes standard with a true 72 by 80 king size bed. We also have plenty of power outlets and USB ports on both sides. Our privacy doors are framed in solid wood trim, and then our bathrooms feature an oversized sink, medicine cabinet, ABS tub surround, and foot flush toilet. Thank you for joining me in walking our 27 K2D Silver Lake by East to West. Be sure to head to your nearest Gander RV location to experience firsthand our value-added products and quality construction. For more information, visit us online at www.easttowestrv.com and make sure to check us out on Instagram and Facebook with the hashtag GoEastToWest.